Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an kublay phi baro kini kilongi khubor bam da kasngi uba elector dakhar ubade unong yele RTI hapo ka jila Meghalaya ula aipor hapo South Prakanta ya PIO ka Forest Department ka JHADC ban ai ka jubab RTI ka ba ula pha nadu u art South Rik September arajar arpsan shakate katna trekam ndai hadu mentakem pat ai ka jubab Ulaong bakane ka jingpin slam kalong kabut ban penduk mensim ki RTI activist Henry na kaliang jung uhi unsanang yo bor banya chakmat kat kum ki kendon an ka RTI ang hajar san lada upi IO umla ban ai kani ka jubab hapo South Phupra kentana kaliang uba lector unsa ujor shaki bahalor kat kum ki kendon ka RTI ang hajar san
I elector the car of Clementrang Village, East Hill District, are committed RTI activists in Meghalaya. Hereby inform that my RTI application submitted to the Hill Autonomous District Council, JHADC, on September 24, 2025, regarding the operation of Forest JHADC has yet to receive any response from the Public Information Officer PIO of the Forest Department JHADC. At this moment, I have no further comment except this direct message to the Public Information Officer PIO Forest Department JHADC. You are hereby granted a period of 48 hours to provide the reply demand in my RTI application. Should you fail to comply within the stipulated time, I will be compelled to initiate a formal complaint before the competent authorities pursuant to the provision of the Right to Information Act 2005. This unwarranted delay in providing information under the RTI Act is an intentional tactic to suppress and demoralize RTI activists. Nonetheless, I remain resolute in my quest for transparency and accountability, and I will persist in this struggle steadfastly and lawfully empowered by the strength of the law. Thank you.